Okay, Pyro Bigfoot here. This is Cosmic Cobalt. 9 shots. It's a good hitter. It's a good firework to get of a 200 gram. Small but mighty. This is a great firework to get. It's the best little one. In a small package, it's an awesome firework. Really awesome 20 shots. There's some flashers. This is part of the Disco Flash, large. This is all from WF Boom. Ballistic rocket bag. An assortment. Sky Bandit 25 shot. These are all 200 gram. Straight fire. Crackling, these are really good. Crackling Candle, 10 shots. They're pretty good for what they are. Binary Star, it's a little different. It's, a good one. Again, 12 shot. They're all like white color with crackling. Bring It On, 96 shot with a little finale that it has. It's pretty nice, but smaller ones. Cosmic Willow, this is a good one. Big hits for a 16 shot and a 200 gram. This one is Battle of Lexington. Sort of sounds like a bunch of bangs as it goes up. 19 shot. And that's all of it here. And now for the demo.